Multiply 150 by 0.035 using long multiplication. For now, ignore the decimal points. Start with the rightmost digit of the bottom factor, 5. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 5 is 25. Put 5 in this column and carry 2. 5 times 1 plus the carried 2 is 7. The first partial product is 750. Now use the next digit to the left, 3. Start one place to the left. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 5 is 15. Put 5 in this column and carry 1. 3 times 1 plus the carried 1 is 4. The second partial product is 4,500. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 0 plus 0 is 0. In the tens column, 5 plus 0 is 5. In the hundreds column, 7 plus 5 is 12. Put 2 in this column and carry 1. In the thousands column, 4 plus the carried 1 is 5. The product of the whole numbers is 5,250. Count the highlighted digits after each decimal point. The factors have 3 decimal places altogether, so the product needs 3 decimal places. Place the decimal point 3 places from the right. 5,250 becomes 5.250. That is simply 5.25. So 150 times 0.035 is 5.25.